Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail failed to send email. So, first, check your internet connection. So, click Wi Fi at the bottom right corner, then open it. So, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try opening a website or refresh your inbox. So, if your connection is weak, switch to another Wi Fi or use mobile data, then try sending the email again. Next is to reload Gmail. So, click the reload button in the top left corner. And once done, see if it works. Next is to click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to delete browsing data. Select the time frame, then select cache images and files and cookies and other site data, and click delete data. Once done, go back to Gmail, refresh the page, and see if it works. Next is to disable VPN or proxy. So if you're using a VPN or proxy service, temporarily disable it. Some VPN servers can interfere with Gmail's connection to Google servers. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.